Hey everyone, if you're anything like me, you've probably wasted hours doing tasks the old school way. Typing, designing, editing, reading, endless PDFs. But guess what? There are free AI tools that can literally save you hours every single day, and I really wish I had found them sooner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful AI tools that are totally free, super easy to use, and honestly feel like they belong in the future. Let's jump right into it. So first up, let's talk about Notion AI. But what you may not know is that their built-in AI is an absolute game. Now, you've probably heard of Notion as a note-taking or productivity app. You can ask it to write full blog posts, generate summaries from long paragraphs, fix grammar, brainstorm content ideas, and even draft entire emails. Imagine you rewriting an article. You just type in a topic like how AI is changing education, and Notion AI does the heavy lifting. It's like having a writing partner who never complains, never sleeps, and doesn't miss deadlines. But my favorite feature, you can feed it your messy notes and it cleans them up into a neat, organized summary. I've literally used it to prepare client updates, scripts like this one, and email replies in minutes. And yes, it's built right into Notion, so you don't need to open 10 different tabs. It just works, and it saves me hours. Alright, next on my list is Leonardo. Now if you're into visuals, thumbnails, logos, or just cool graphics, this one's for you. Leonardo AI is an AI art generator that turns text into images, but it does it with serious style. What makes it stand out is the quality and realism it offers, even in the free version. You just type what you want, like a futuristic city skyline at sunset, and within seconds, you get high-resolution artwork that looks like something from a Marvel movie. It's insanely fast and produces really polished results. And here's the best part. They've built-in fine-tuning controls, so you can adjust lighting, style, and details without needing to learn Photoshop or other design tools. I personally use it for YouTube thumbnails and creative Even if you're not a designer, Leonardo makes you look like one. And for a free tool, it punches way above its weight. Seriously, once you try it, you won't go back to browsing for stock images again. Now for the third tool. This one's for everyone who dreads opening long PDF files. Meet ChatPDF. It turns those boring 50-page reports into interactive chats. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. You upload any PDF, and within seconds, you can ask it questions like, "What's the summary of this document?" or explain section 2 in simple terms. And it answers instantly. No more scanning pages, no more searching for keywords. Whether it's an academic paper, a technical manual, a contract, ChatPDF makes it super easy to get what you need without reading every single line. I've used it for research, legal documents, even old ebooks, and I can tell you how much time it has saved me. It's like having a smart assistant who actually reads things for you. And unlike other chatbots, it doesn't guess. It answers using the actual content inside your file. And yes, it's free to use for basic documents. No sign-up required. Just drag, drop, and chat. Now, you might be wondering, are these tools really worth learning? Absolutely yes. Each one of them handles a different pain point, whether it's writing, designing, or reading. And the best part, you don't need to be tech-savvy to use them. They're fast, simple, and built to help you do more in less time. In a world where everything moves faster every day, these tools help you keep up, and maybe even stay one step ahead. So, if you haven't tried them yet, trust me, you're missing out. I wish I had found them earlier, and that is exactly why I made this video, to help you skip the trial and error and just get started with the best. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend who could use a few time-saving AI tools. And, of course, try them and thank me later.